Good morning. It is finally Friday. I am starting out my day by making a little list of all the things that I would like to get done today, because I have quite a bit that I would like to get done. Our house just needs like cleaned up, and I have orders that need done, and then there's just like a few other little things that I would like to finish up before Justin would get home this evening, because then we are going to do like a little bit more Christmas shopping, because we didn't quite get finished last time that we went, so we want to finish that up. Yeah, so I will take you along with me through my busy day. I am going to be cutting up some oranges to make a dried orange garland. So I'm going to go ahead and get that started, because that takes like a few hours in the oven. So I'm cutting the oranges like a 1/4 of an inch or maybe a little thinner, and then I'm going to put them on a lined baking sheet with parchment. And then I'm going to put them in the oven at like 200, and it's going to take probably like 2 or 3 hours, and I'll flip them after like an hour. So I'm going to get those started since they take a while. Okay, I got them all cut up, and then I'm just gonna take these little, like the end pieces and stuff, and I'll just put these in a bag, and then tomorrow I'm gonna make a simmer pot to put on the stove to make it smell really good, and I'll just use these for that. So none of it will go to waste. So here they are, ready to go into the oven. I just patted them dry a little bit with a paper towel just to try to absorb some of the excess moisture, so that they don't have as much moisture to cook out of them. So now they're gonna go in for an hour, and then I'll show you what they look like after that. I got all the dishes done. Here are the oranges after about an hour. I'm gonna flip them and put them back in. They are drying out. You can feel that they're drying. The littler ones will be one way before the thicker ones, but that's okay. We'll just pull those off when they're finished. I'm gonna go ahead and pat this side dry now, because they're pretty damp. So we'll pat that side dry and put these back in. Got our room cleaned up, looking pretty good. Justin is home from work. I was just working on stuff around the house like I showed you, and ran a few errands. Now we're gonna getting ready to leave and go do our
final.
Well, except for each other, we haven't gotten to anything yet, but our final Christmas shopping for other people.
It's beginning to look a lot.
But I think first dinner, because I have not eaten anything today. And neither have you, as far as I know.
I had a little bit of spaghetti at work. $3.99. shouldn't even be crowded. Yes, please.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter.
I tell you what, we just hit up the last store, that Dick's,
Dick's Warehouse.
warehouse.
We got some deals.
They have deals that I didn't even know you could, people did anymore. That was wild. So that was great.
It's Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss it.
The wonderful world of Marshalls. Open till 11 like everybody should be during this time of year. Which is good. I got shopping to do yet. So we were over at the Marshall, and Kelly overheard a conversation with some people next to it, like a lady who was checking out. And she was talking and inquiring about, like, you know, custom shirts and stuff. It just so happened Kelly had her card, so I gave her the card.
Because I got nervous.
Just look her up if you're looking for something custom. So maybe that'll turn into something. Apparently she has her own cake place. She has a cake business online too. And she's semi-local-ish. And so that was pretty cool. And now we're at Walmart. I think we'll probably finish up here. Ish.
Yep.
So, then home. 10:30 and the night is still young. We're going to dash over to 5 and Below. The closing's at 11.
Stop saying 5 and below. People are going to think that's really what you think it's called.
Oh, I'm just dumb.
You're not.
It's 5 Below, but I like to call it 5 and Below. Every time I'm over there, some old lady saying, "I'm at 5 and Below."
You started a tradition when she said
11:36. Made it home. The poor fellow was left home for most of the evening, although he spent a lot of time with you today.
Yeah, I was here all day, so it wasn't like it was that long.
I think we finished it up. Shopping for everybody except for you and me, right? And the cat.
Yeah. Which we have some of this.
Some of it, but not all of it. So, we're probably I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna go to bed. There's stuff to put away yet, like Kelly wash dishes need put away. A few things need tucked away. But we figured
do that tomorrow.
It would be more beneficial if we get ready for bed. I'll shower. We'll take Snuggles back at Friday night so he can sleep with us. And then we'll start early. Kelly will run to the store in the morning. I'll get up and start working on here, and then we'll tag team. And so everything here should be just worked out right on time. And if it's not 100% perfect, well, it's not due to lack of trying. We'll have everything that we need for our party.
Yep. That's gonna do it for today. Thanks for watching.
Have a good night. Join us tomorrow for our party.
Yeah. Good night.
Night.